Hello everyone and welcome back to Driveline, your home for honest car stories, off-road culture, and future-ready machines. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at a vehicle that represents pure heritage and mechanical simplicity, the 2026 Mahindra CJ3B Jeep. While this legendary nameplate belongs to a very different era, its possible modern revival by Mahindra and Mahindra could open the door to one of the most nostalgic and purpose-driven off-roaders of the decade. So let's explore what a 2026 CJ3B could look like, what it might offer, and who it would truly be built for. Checkered flag, a legendary name with deep roots. The original CJ3B earned its reputation as a rugged, no-nonsense workhorse that could go anywhere and survive almost anything. It was inspired by the iconic high-hood military-style Jeeps produced by Willis Overland, and later became a widely loved utility vehicle in India under Mahindra's production. A 2026 Mahindra CJ3B would not be about luxury or flashy technology, it would be about reviving a mechanical legend that focuses on durability, accessibility, and true off-road character. Brick design and styling, pure, boxed, and purposeful. If Mahindra decides to reintroduce the CJ3B for 2026, the design is expected to remain intentionally simple. The upright grille, flat fenders, exposed hinges, and short wheelbase proportions would define its visual identity. Instead of following modern SUV trends, the new CJ3B would likely embrace a retro utilitarian design, blending steel bumpers, round LED headlamps, and removable hard or soft tops. Inside, practicality would lead the way with washable surfaces, simple switchgear, manual seat adjustments, and a compact but functional dashboard that suits both rural and adventure-focused use. Gear performance and mechanical character. The heart of the 2026 Mahindra CJ3B would be its mechanical reliability. Rather than powerful turbo engines, the focus would likely be on a dependable petrol or diesel motor tuned for torque at low,